Good morning, teacher. We are going to talk about the bacteria Vibrio cholera. This bacteria was discovered for Filippo Pazzini in and this information published in 1825. Initially, the organism was named Cholerae bacillus for the discovered Pazzini, but the specific name Vibrio cholera. This organism causes a disease named cholera. This disease has been lethal and deadly in many countries. And nowadays, many countries are suffering the cholera, but nobody know how or who make this dangerous hurt. It's important to mention this place like Asia, Europe, and North America have many measures to prevent this disease. However, in third world countries, there are not many measures to prevent this disease. This allows us just to observe a confrontation of health security between developed countries and developing countries. But any now think what is happening in IT. In actually is passing an epidemic of cholera. According to the World Health Organization, is approximately 10,000 Haitians have died. However, the question now is why the organization as ONU and others do not act to control the disease of the cholera in Haiti. The answer to this question is simple. The international organization act quickly in countries of their interests. However, it is important to mention that the cholera arrived in Haiti by Nepalese force members sent ONU after the hurricane that after the country.
I'm going to talk about the characteristics of Vibrio cholera organisms. The characteristics that people when have cholera may have diarrhea, may have get high pressure, or maybe have so many problems that intervene in her organisms. The Vibrio is a bacteria who makes cholera appear. And nowadays, this bacteria appear in many different countries. We have a treatment that to use a salt solution, intravenous fluids, and antibiotics that makes you feel better. But no more people can use that because the cost of that is very high. But we are focused in IT because the cholera is in the last few years is the main idea that is happened and developed too much in this country for many fluids that appear in the river and all the people consume that water. Another measure of Vibrio control, we try to follow this cycle. It's like people the other treatment that we say to people follow is that the people disinfect the water when they take, and only disinfect food when they are going to eat, or control how much garbage are in the near the house, or what any microorganisms you can see in your food, and know how many insects or to not have insects near the food or water because they contaminate that. The another is that we see a vaccine on internet that people have in Medio Oriente or in Europe, but the problem is to IT people don't don't give that because the people don't the people don't take care about FT because it's not important for all of them. Thank you. And this is the biography of the information that we talk.